Welcome to ABC Learning. I want to cook for my family. I want to cook for my family. Goodbye. Goodbye. What is the time now? What is the time now? What is your name? What is your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please, can you help me? Please, can you help me? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want to go home. I want to go home. I like my new dress. I like my new dress. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Who is that person? Who is that person? Stop crying, it's okay. Stop crying, it's okay. She is my friend. She is my friend. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. Pink is my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. Please, close the door. Please, close the door. How much is it? How much is it? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? He is a police officer. He is a police officer. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Please, give me the book. Please, give me the book. He is my friend. He is my friend. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm feeling exhausted. I'm feeling exhausted. Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? I am studying. I am studying. Do you want ice cream? Do you want ice cream? Do you want to play football? Do you want to play football? My parents brought me a new cycle. My parents brought me a new cycle. I am meditating. I am meditating. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. I like swimming. I like swimming. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? This is my teddy bear. This is my teddy bear. We are playing outside. We are playing outside. I love listening to music. I love listening to music. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. The cat is sitting on the chair. The cat is sitting on the chair. I am tired, I want to sleep. I am tired, I want to sleep. I am doing some shopping. I am doing some shopping. Please, can I ask you a question? Please, can I ask you a question? He is a teacher. He is a teacher. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. This is a book. This is a book. He is a firefighter. He is a firefighter. They are friends. They are friends. The boy is brushing his teeth. The boy is brushing his teeth. She is running in a marathon. She is running in a marathon. Always shut down the PC after use. Always shut down the PC after use. She is washing clothes. She is washing clothes. The baby is on the mat. The baby is on the mat. The dog is in a cage. The dog is in a cage. The girl jumps high. The girl jumps high. The man is sweeping the compound. The man is sweeping the compound. The girl is watching TV. The girl is watching TV. She is smiling. She is smiling. The girl is climbing the tree. The girl is climbing the tree. Thanks for watching.